Woman Ignite Success Summit has an initiative. It's called the War Initiative. Once again, for the third year in a row of being your host. First of all, you look fantastic.
It can't just be the summit. Like, what else? How can we continue?
Right.
And how can we help women, young women in particular?
Right? It's a summit, the third year.
This is a powerful community of women.
Think about these women. Think about the persons you've had to support you along your journey.
Believe for your blessings.
Is anybody bubbling with something in here? You were conceived with a purpose.
Monetizing yourself, putting yourself out there.
Paul says, no, hold on. I am going to magnify my ministry. I said it. You can run if you want. My purpose remains. And the angel of the Lord said,
don't settle. So go and get what you settle for.
In the next 5 years, in the next 10 years, what can you see for yourself?
Following instructions. You are now not responsible for the maintenance of the promise.